Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today, I'm going to be doing a jelly cube tutorial, but before that I want to apologize for it being 3 weeks since I've uploaded. It's been a busy school year and I kept pushing off filming. I really apologize for that. So I'm going to try to do every week now, but that's what I'm going to try to do. Don't hold me to that because I may not be able to, but that's my plan. This video's notification squad shoutouts go to these amazing people. Thank you guys so much for your support and all these new subscribers. It really means a lot, and I really want to put out more content for you guys and more tutorials. Comment down below what you want me to post and what kind of tutorials you want to see. It doesn't even have to be slime related. To get a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment notification squad when done, and you'll be entered in the video subscriber shout out. Alright, now to the tutorial. So you start off by emptying one 5-ounce bottle of Elmer's clear glue, and then I add 1.5 teaspoons of water to the bottle, shake it up, just get the glue that's like on the sides, and then pour that back in. Next, you can add whatever dyes you want to. I did blue and purple because I like the combination it makes. I don't know, it kind of makes it like bright and like a very deep like color. I don't know. So you don't even have to dye it if you don't want to. You can just make it clear then dye it after, add glitter, add pigment, do whatever you want. After I made sure all the dye and the water were mixed together in the even consistency, I went in with my activator. I'm using a weak activator that's about 0.65 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. I know that's a little like detail, but that's just the activator I like to use for clear glues. So I added that. You want to make sure you don't overactivate it, so take your time, because if you overactivate it, then the glue won't be able to absorb into the sponge and it'll be hard to make a jelly cube. So just make sure you lean towards the unactivated side. Now that's fully activated, I just kind of took it out and just kneaded it a little with my hands just for like a quick second, just to get out like any strings or anything that was kind of like clumps or whatever that was in there. Then I took it, put it in a container, and let it sit until it cleared up, about 3 to 4 days. Just the thinner, like the more surface area you have in your container, the faster it'll clear up. Just a tip. I had some clear slime extra, so I thought I'd show you like you can just dye it the same way with clear slime and make it like that if you wanted to, instead of having to do the other recipe. But it's the same recipe for the clear slime, I just didn't add dye, and I thought it'd be easier so I can film it faster and upload it easier for you guys. I also like adding dye to clear slime. I find it like very satisfying. Also, yes, I'm aware this is not fully clear slime, but it was clear enough for what I had to use with it. This is what it would look like all cleared up and with the dye mixed in. So yeah, this is it. It's just a normal kind of clear slime. Just pressing it and poking it. I don't know. I really like this color a lot. It was like very like fluorescent kind of looking. I know, it's pretty. I liked it. Now for the cubes themselves, I use a magic eraser. You can use kind of any sponge. There's so many different types, but I just use a white, normal, chemical-free magic eraser. They sell them on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description because I know some of you will ask. So yeah, I just cut them up like this. I cut it into 5, and then I cut that into 3 after doing it that way. Those are the cube sizes I like. You can make them whatever size you want though. It's completely optional. So I put them in a bowl, and then I took the slime and just like twirled it a little and put them in because I thought it looked cool when it went in. Then you're just going to want to make sure it just evenly coats like every sponge. Press it down a little just so that like the sponge absorbs the slime, and it just will make a better jelly cube. So yeah, you just want to mix it in a little. It's kind of hard, but you can do it in like a minute. So just keep doing that until it's all evenly coated. After I evenly coated, I put it in a container like this to let it sit for a little until they're fully absorbed. Here they are after about a day of letting them sit and absorb the slime. You probably don't have to put it in for as long as a day, but I just wanted them to be as absorbed as possible. I love this color so much. I don't know. It like reminds me of like a deep blue sea or like really blue waters. I don't know. I liked it a lot. It's just like a drop of purple dye and a drop of blue dye. I'm going to stop talking so you can enjoy the sounds and the rest of the video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video.